Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the sash is the problem. Look for tilting, gaps, or visible obstructions. Once done, prop the lower sash securely and remove the interior stop screws. Keep them organized. Clean the track with a putty knife and rag to expose binding points, and test vertical movement gently to feel resistance. This tells you whether it's a balance, track, or hardware issue and determines the next repair step. You now disengage the sash from the balances by tilting it inward and lifting until the balance shoe's clear. This reveals worn or snapped balances. Replace or adjust spiral or tube balances with matching length and tension. Mismatched balances cause uneven closing. Once replaced, lubricate the track with silicone spray, not oil, to minimize dirt buildup. Then reseat the sash, ensuring it enters the balance shoes squarely, so the weight distributes evenly, and the window. You finish by reinstalling the stops and screws, then lower the sash slowly to confirm it closes flat and the latch aligns. This verifies proper geometry. Make micro-adjustments to the balances if the sash drifts up or falls, and use a level to check squareness. Uneven frames need shimming. If the window still won't close, check for frame warp, paint buildup, or hidden debris in the jamb. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.